Hey guys, what's up? This is Aaron Wright, day 2 of World of Concrete. We're at the Autodesk Construction Cloud booth, and I've been a long-time user of Autodesk products. It's by far the best on the market. It has BIM capabilities, project management capabilities. They've even released takeoff and scheduling abilities now. So let's check it out and see what's going on.
Hi, my name is Adam Komornitsky with Aztec Industries. I'm the product director for concrete. We're a manufacturer of concrete plants and concrete mixers and production equipment. We're the largest producers of concrete plants in North America, from fabrication all the way to final assembly, entirely in-house. We love coming to World of Concrete because our customers come here, we can showcase our equipment, and our dealers are able to interact with us as well.
Going to be giving it 110%. Over-installed. The second generation made in 24 years. His mother taught him how to lay brick and block.
Solar block, the future of solar masonry, masonry in general. We have a carbon neutral, energy producing concrete block. 10 years ago, started in my garage, and here I am, World of Concrete, baby. The product is designed to work well with bricks, blocks, other types of masonry products. It produces electricity as well as giving you the outside facade of the building. So what we brought here today is we have 12 units that are hooked up. We are producing 12 volts of power in indirect sun, and in the direct sun we're producing 14 to 15 volts of power. We have a light bar that's running, and everything is hooked up on display here at the World of Concrete.
Hey everybody, I'm Aaron Kleingartner with Doosan Infracore North America. I'm in Las Vegas this week at the World of Concrete trade show. And we've got 3 great machines here that we're telling customers all about their great features and benefits. We like being at this show because we get to visit with contractors about our equipment and how it can help them be better in their daily work. So immediately behind me is our DL250-7. It's a 3.5 yard wheel loader. Works great in general construction job sites. Really a great general purpose machine. We've got a 14-ton reduced tail swing machine here. It's great working in reduced lane width requirements for various road work type of applications. And we also have a 5-ton mini excavator here, heart of the lineup for general contractor utility work. Works really well on a wide variety of job sites. So if you're at the show, stop on by, talk to one of our product managers. We'd be glad to talk to you about it. And if you're not at the show, check us out online, and we'd be happy to answer any questions you might share with us there.
Well, make sure you get this on video. I have to warn you, I'm a magician. I don't show up on film, so I'm glad this is digital. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 solid silver coins, 1 silver absorbent sponge. A blot and a dab is all that it takes to suck up one of the 3 coins. Now there's just 2. Check it out. See, another guy that never does dishes. No, it's real simple. All you have to do is give it a squeeze, just like this, and it comes right out just like so. 4 coins at once. 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2, 3. Wait, oh, it's clogged. Does it feel clogged to you? Yeah, it's a silver sponge. I keep sucking up the silverware wherever I go. Oh, come on, give me a yeah. It gets better. It gets better.